Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. If we will be reading once more our gospel for today, the gospel that we have heard, we might sound Jesus giving a strong warning. All that is hidden will come to light. Walang natatago, walang lihim na itinatago na hindi mabubunyag. But a second look of it will help us see its encouraging side. No lamp is placed underneath. Dapat ito ay makita. Dapat ito ay magningning. Hindi ito dapat itinatago. Revealing or manifesting will be part of our daily life and of our faith life. We can respond to the needs of others when we hear them opening up their problems, what are their needs, their troubles, and the like. Masasagot natin ang problema o ang gulo kapag nabunyag o nakita natin ito. And it is a consolation to remember that opening up, revealing oneself, shining out, if we might say, would benefit others and is an honorable act. When we let our talents, our capacities, our gifts to come out, then we will be able to bless lives. On the one end, when we are also encouraged to reveal our weakness, to reveal our sins, our failings, we are not led to experiences of disgrace, but to experiences of healing. Dahil nakita natin, naipakita natin ano ang kagalingan natin, we are able to shine out. When we are also able to express our weak side, then help comes to our aid. Hindi po makakristyano ang pagtatago. Buhay po natin ang pagpapakita at pagpapakatotoo. Baka lang po kasi may itinatago tayo na liwanag sa buhay natin. Ilabas po natin ito. It might be our source of hope and our source of blessing in this life. Baka may itinatago tayo na mahalaga sa ating pong puso. Ibahagi po natin para may mabiyayaan pong buhay. Pero baka din may itinatago tayong pagkakamali o kasalanan. Baka panahon po ito na masabi ang mga bagay na ito para mapalaya tayo sa mga ito. We are asked, my dear brothers and sisters, not to hide, but to shine. When Jesus revealed Himself, lives were changed. When we also reveal and shine, may we inspire and encourage. And all the more, may we also bless many lives.